In December of 1993, I visited India on a 1 month assignment with the National Institute of Hydrology, NIH. The trip entailed a 3 week technical visit to the NIH Ganga Plains Regional Center in Patna, Bihar, in eastern India. I traveled by train from Patna to Birpur, 275 kilometers northeast, and then north by land about 60 kilometers to Chatra, well inside Nepal. There, I visited the Kosi project, accompanied by colleagues Lohani, Jha, and Thakur, staff scientists from the NIH Regional Center at Patna. On the way back, our party took the first class sleeper train from Birpur to Patna, and after a good chat, settled down to a well deserved rest. Great was our surprise to notice that on one of the many scheduled stops, the train was suddenly invaded by hundreds of people, desirous to catch a ride to some destination further along the way. One of my companions speculated that these people were going to a political rally and that there was no other way to travel but boarding the train in mass. There were people everywhere, packed like sardines, so it was impossible for us to get out of our first class cabin, even to go to the bathroom. It did not escape my attention that had I wanted to do precisely that, I would have had to find alternate means to satisfy this most basic of needs. Luckily for us, the train made an unscheduled stop in the next town, and the intruders were routed out by scores of policemen, who dutifully arrested them and had them marching in 3 columns in an orderly fashion, restrained between the train on one side and a cord on the other. As the events unfolded, I stuck my neck out of the window, and the scenery that cold morning reminded me of one of those Hollywood scenes, complete with populace, train station, policemen, local color, and above all, that orderly chaos which well describes the typical Indian urban scene.